Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a set of both all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with their Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, a dark linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for our media display. Our turn wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic select for our different driving patterns. This C300 has 24,460 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.